I had to start a YouTube channel in 2026, no subscriber, no money, just my phone, this is exactly what I would do to grow fast and start making money. A lot of beginners make the same mistake when starting YouTube, and that is why they don't grow. In this video, I'm going to be showing you a step-by-step strategy that works in 2026. It is working, and if you apply this strategy, you will grow, and you will be amazed at the level of growth you achieve for your channel. First, hi guys, how are you doing? I hope you're great and you're winning your world. This is Amigos Concept, and I'm back with another beautiful information. If today is your first time tuning in, you're welcome. In this channel, we talk about YouTube growth, monetization, growth hacks, and we also teach you how to make money online through page survey. So if this is something you're interested in learning, make sure you subscribe to this channel, drop me your beautiful comments, like this video, share it so that other people can learn this amazing information, and lastly, do not forget to turn on the bell notification so that you don't miss any of my content each time I drop them. Now, with all that being said, let us dive straight into the purpose of today's video. First thing you need to understand is that YouTube is not about posting random video. It's about picking a niche that can grow and make money. Now, this is a lesson I learned the hard way. When I started YouTube, I was posting randomly, like anything I feel will go viral, I'll just post. Like the first 6 months of my YouTube journey, I haven't discovered what I want to do on YouTube, but you know, I'll just post. Like if I just say, oh, maybe Regina Daniel is trending, and I post about Regina Daniels, it gives me view. Chike Daniels, yes, anything is trending, I'll just post about it and I'll get views. Maybe one thing is trending, I just post about it and I get views. Do you know that when I was doing that, I didn't know that these particular things I was posting about is confusing YouTube algorithm, because they don't know which audience to direct my videos to. You understand? So when I finally got a niche, when I finally decided that, oh, this is the particular niche I want to start participating in, like this is the particular niche I've chose to work on YouTube, it was now very difficult for me to find my audience. It took me a lot of months for me to be able to say, okay, this is for the algorithm to understand. And another mistake that I made was starting my channel with posting shorts. You see, this particular mistake is going to cost you a lot if that channel you're growing is not a channel that is focused on shorts. Because I posted something on Facebook and I see a lot of people come to celebrate. Oh, I've gotten 500 subscribers. I started 2 days ago. I've gotten 1.5k subscribers. I started last week. And when I ask them, what are you posting? They will say, I post AI shorts. If you know that your channel is a channel you want to monetize and start making something reasonable for yourself, don't make the mistake of starting your channel with posting shorts. What I advise you to do, immediately you've like identify your niche, like you know that this niche I am comfortable in posting this particular kind of topic. The next thing you need to do, even if the content is short, probably you said good morning or is an AI channel, and you've posted, and what you posted is just 1 minute video, right? Because 1 minute video is going to be a short. What I advise you to do is that video, after creating it, do a tutorial of how you made that particular video. Do a tutorial of how the tools you used to achieve that particular video, and then how you edited it, how you came about it. By the time you put all of these things together, you see that you've achieved 4 minutes, or you might even exceed 4 minutes. Do it for 2 videos, and make sure that the 2 things you're dropping on your channel is 2 long form videos. Because if you do this, it sends signals to the YouTube algorithm that this channel is a channel that is focused on long form videos. The first subscribers, like let me just say, the first 10 subscribers you get on your channel is very, very important. Now, a lot of people say, oh, I don't post long form videos because I don't get subscribers, I don't get views. Let me tell you, if you're starting YouTube channel newly, subscribers and views should be the least thing on your mind. Chasing perfection and making your algorithm understand what your channel for should be the first thing, should be your first agenda for that channel. If you do this particular thing I'm telling you, in no time your channel is going to pick up. Once the algorithm understands that the content you're posting is made for this particular set of people, when you post it, they will send it to you. As a small YouTube channel, if you post your videos and you're getting 10 views, 20 views, let me tell you, that's a massive view. There are a lot of big YouTubers that still post today and they still get 35 views. You understand? So views and subscribers should be the least thing you should be concerned about. The main thing you should focus on is for the algorithm to understand what your channel is about. There is something called SEO. I don't know how many of you have heard this word SEO, S-E-O. It stands for search engine optimization. Now, YouTube and Google are search engines. Now, you want to position your channel in such a way that when people search for something on YouTube or on Google, your channel will be able to pop up. There's a way to do this to achieve this kind of results, you know. It is called search engine optimization. I'm going to make a video to show you how to optimize your channel. You understand? When your channel is optimized, I don't know how many of you finish watching a particular video on YouTube and YouTube automatically recommends another channel, another video, another person's channel that is related to that particular thing you just watched. That is what SEO does for you. That is what search engine optimization does for you. When your channel is optimized, properly optimized, and the YouTube algorithm understands what your channel is for, they'll be able to recommend your videos to other people. It doesn't matter if your channel is just 100. There are some channels that have been, like, when a video is recommended to me, when a channel is recommended to me, I'll always go and check how many subscribers does this person has for YouTube to recommend them to me. And most times, amazingly, I see that these people, they might just have 59 subscribers, and YouTube is already recommending their channels because they understand what that channel is. They understand that, oh, this video I just watched is relating to the one they are recommending to me. I hope you understand, right? So you should be able to place your channel in such a way that YouTube recommends it. If you have 59 subscribers and your channel is well optimized and YouTube starts recommending your channel, let me tell you, you're on your way to go viral. Any channel can go viral. Any channel can go viral as long as there's nothing like YouTube is favoring this channel, is not favoring me. YouTube is not human being. Like, if you do the things you're supposed to do all the necessary setup you're supposed to do, then just give it time and patience. Your channel will peak. In this video, I will not tell you, oh, this is the niche that is doing well, this is the niche that is making money, this is the niche that people are making money now on YouTube. I'm not going to tell you that, because any niche can blow up and start making money. In fact, there are some niches that people say, oh, I don't make money in this niche, and then another person is making money from such niche. You understand? Of course, I know that some niche make money than other niche, but I don't want to deceive us, like telling you to go into how to make money niche when you don't have a knowledge of it. Okay, do what you're passionate about, and while you are at it, go to other channels that are also in that particular niche. Watch and study what they are doing. Watch their video style, watch their thumbnail style, watch their description style, watch their title style, and then come and inculcate it in your own channel. You understand? Try to also implement what they are doing in your channel. I'm talking about big channels in the niche you've chosen to work on. Implement what they are doing in your channel, and then focus on your thumbnail, your title, and your video style. Don't chase perfection as a beginner. Okay, just start, and then I'll do your part with every video. I'll do your part with every video. See, let me tell you, every video you put here on YouTube is like an investment. I've said this before. Every video you drop here on YouTube, whether it has view or not, is an investment. Is a little step, like one step to perfection, one step to going viral, one step to the algorithm understanding you. So even if you drop those videos and you're not getting what you expect, do not stop, okay? Because that is where most of us came from. But let me just encourage you. If you are just starting out your channel, just keep going. Don't give up, okay? Even if you're dropping your videos and you're not yet seeing the views, don't stop. You understand me? We all came from there. I started a YouTube channel with no subscribers, no ideas, no friends, nobody. I had nobody when I started. It was just me and my camera and maybe other videos I watched to learn on YouTube. And today I've learned so many things, and I have students that I teach. I am teaching the lessons I learned the hard way so that they will not make such mistake. Okay, you will definitely achieve your aim on YouTube if you don't give up. If you give up, there will not be stories to tell. Okay, so it's one video at a time, and you keep getting perfect. Finally, if you're serious about growing on YouTube and making money online, watch my next video where I share some tips about how to make money online through paid survey. I hope you got value from today's video. If you do, please do not forget to subscribe, like, comment, and also share so that other people can get this amazing information. Thank you so much for watching and stay with me to the end of this video. I will see you again in my next one.